Peter Pan. Let's start with the top of her head, right about there. And this will be a hair bun right about there, just like this. Can you do that? That'd be great. There we go, and we'll give it a bit of a tie like that. And then what we're gonna do is do a bit of a windy bit here like this. And this is gonna be her hair. There we go. She's got beautiful blonde hair. And it's all wavy and curly like. There we go. This is looking nice. There we go. We'll shape her face with it like this. And that's where her ear will be. And then we'll bring the back end of her head around like that. And there's her hair. And now what we can do is bring our face down like this. Give her some beautiful cheeks like that. There's our chin right up. And we'll fit her ear in like that. Looking good, everyone. Well, we could give her some lips. Pouty lips for Tinkerbell. There we go. And a big smile. That's nice. Looking good. How about a nose? There we go, even better. Little nostril for her. Big eyes for Tinkerbell. Right like this. And like that. Looking nice. One over here like this. And there's her eyes. And now we can draw the insides. Just like that. With a pupil like that. Very good. Color it in if you like. Looking nice. And we'll finish this off with some eyebrows. There we go. There's a pretty thing, isn't she? Alright, now we can bring her neck down like this. In there. And now her shoulder over here, just like this. There's her arm bit going like that. And we'll put our fingers up in the air. One here. A couple there. And then another there. Bring that on down and we'll draw a thumb. Very nice. Swirl it on up like that. And the under bit of her arm here. And bring that back up to her body. Very nice, everyone. Let's make her bending over a little bit as if she's flying and looking over. There we go. There's her bum and her little skirt like this. Very good. Here we go. Little swiggly bits here and there. Very nice. I like it. Have you got that? Looking good. Now we'll draw her body up like this. And we'll draw the top of her dress here. Like this. And then down like that. Very nice, everyone. And now we'll draw a shoulder here. Like that. And then her arm. Like this. And we'll have her holding her wand. So there's her pinky finger. We'll draw her 4 fingers holding onto her wand like this. Looking good. With a thumb like this. There we go, everyone. There's a wand just like that. I like it. And now we'll bring the back of her arm up like this. And then bring back to her body like that. Alright, everyone, this is nice. Now let's draw her legs. 1, 2. Bottom of her legs here like this. Looking nice. And Tinkerbell's got pom-poms on her for shoes. So let's draw some nice furry pom-poms like this. Maybe another one like this. Oh, I like it. Looking good, everybody. And now what we can do is we're gonna bring up her feet right here. Slippers or little shoes that she likes to wear, just like that. Very nice. Cap it off like that. Oh, I like it. And then what we can do is bring her leg down like that. and connect it like that. And there we go. There's Tinkerbell. Now the one thing we've forgotten are her wings. So let's do the wings now. Alright. So let's start with the back here. And we'll just bring them on up like this behind her head. Just a little bit, mind you. Like that. And then bring them on down like this. And they're see-through, so we can draw them all through one another like that. Very nice, I like it. Everybody got that? And then we can draw the other wings up here like this. And down like that. Ooh, that's sweet. I like it, everybody. Tinkerbell. Let's get to the color. Tinkerbell has a light skin color, a green dress and shoes, light blue wings, eyes, pom-poms on her shoes, yellow hair, red lips. Thanks, everyone.